The Arby's Evolution Elite Fryer is designed to extend oil life and improve oil quality. Since the fry pot is smaller, we have a 30-pound vat which eliminates the cold zone, so we no longer have as much room for crumbs below the heating elements on an electric fryer or the burner tubes on a gas fryer. We have to continuously wash those crumbs out of there with our quick filtration, which we call express filtration on the fryer. By following good filtration practices, Arby's has shown that oil life has been extended on average up to 35%. When we drop product into the fryer, let's say we're cooking a basket of curly fries or potato cakes, what happens is the fryer keeps track of that and it knows when the optimal time is to filter. What it does is it increases a percentage which we can view at any time by pressing the filter button. If I press the filter button, filter used, 55%. When that number reaches 100%, the fryer is going to prompt us to filter. When the fryer says filter now, yes or no, we always want to enforce to say yes to filtration. The fryer would record if we did not filter and it would tell us that we skipped a vat. You'll find that in the video that talks about pulling data from the control. So right now it's asking me to skim the vat. I just simply skim, get the floaters off the top, and after I skim, I say yes to confirm. The next step is down at our drain handle. It's going to give us a flashing blue light. Just pull open the drain, and now our oil's draining down to the drain pan. From this point, the fryer automatically turns on the filter pump motor, and it has jets on the bottom of the pot to wash down the bottom. From this point, I'm just going to close the drain, and once the drain is closed, the fryer is going to fill the oil up, and it's going to pay attention to the oil level in the fryer. If it detects oil at our 2 level probes in the front of the fryer automatically shuts off, and then it's going to turn on the heat. Now our fryer's detected the hot oil all the way at our fill line, so it automatically turns on our heat. If you ever see the message after filtration that says, "Is pot filled?" you always want to respond no. When we respond no, all that's going to happen is the filter pump motor is going to turn on for another interval and try to pump all of the oil out of the drain pan. Some of the reasons that you could have this message is if the filter pad starts to become obstructed, then you'd need to scrape the top of the filter pad off. It could be that your O-rings are starting to fail and they need to be replaced where it pumps more air than oil, or it could be that we need to replace the filter pad. A good filtration practice is prior to peak hours is go ahead and check your filter percentage. You press and release the filter button, and in this case we're at 80%, but use your judgment. If you're maybe around 50% or higher, go ahead and force the fryer to filter. To do that, press and hold your filter button. You can press and hold either filter button here, and it takes us into the filter menu. And what we want to do is start an express filter, and an express filter is the same as a quick filter. To do that, I just press the number 1 button, and then it tells me to skim vat. This is the same procedure that you'd see if the fryer forced you to filter.